finally ride day. And check this out. Today, we're finally getting to try out our Kemimoto rear storage bag. And the wicked thing I like about this already is it's not that heavy and it connects really quick with these straps to your machine. So last night I already loaded it up. Check it out. So yeah, I already loaded it up last night. We got some extra pants, face scarf, shouldn't need it yet, it's not that cold. Mostly got food in this side and the divider, some TP, oh look, GoPro battery, some odds and ends, you know, extra gloves, face thing. It's already raining out, so we're gonna be needing the oil gear right away. We're gonna put that on. But yeah, check it out. Under here I got air pump, I got my Asta Cruiser soft shackle, some waterproof gloves which I'm going to be using. You can see I got a belt in here, I got some tire plugs, random tools. I think that's for helping me change my belt. I've never used it yet, still on the original belt. I even got a spare tie rod in there, who knows. I ain't got no tools, that's to come. Anyway, as you can see, this is a pretty cool unit. All right, we're all dressed and ready for the rain, and we're all packed up. We got our spare coat in here, lots of stuff, food. All right, let's go load her up. Just like that. Do it one hand, show you guys what I'm doing. Pretty straightforward. Hook that in there, hook that, pull the strap tight. Same thing, hook that in there, pull the strap tight. And there's like 3 or 4 more. Yeah, she's good and solid. Check that out. So yeah guys, check it out, Kemimoto.com. Get your storage bag for your Can-Am X3. It's ride time. They call me a let's go. I don't know where to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You go through right here, it's the go ahead and grab me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. Look at the power. He's not even touching the gas. His lights are under. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a great 6 feet like Kenny. They call me a